Fruit salad with condensed milk recipe. This creamy and refreshing fruit salad with condensed milk is a perfect dessert or snack for any occasion. Fresh seasonal fruits are combined with rich whipped cream, sweetened condensed milk, and a touch of cardamom for a delightful treat that's both nutritious and indulgent. Ingredients: 1 banana peeled and chopped, 1 apple peeled and chopped, 1 orange peeled and pulped, half a cup red and green grapes, halved or quartered, a 1/4 cup blueberries, half a cup heavy whipping cream, half a cup sweetened condensed milk, a 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, 2 tablespoons sliced almonds, 1 tablespoon golden raisins. Optional, cherries for garnishing. Method: prepare the fruits, peel, chop, and cut all the fruits into bite-sized pieces. Place them in a large mixing bowl. Add sliced almonds and raisins. Whip the cream. In another bowl, whip the heavy cream until soft peaks form. Add the condensed milk and cardamom powder, then whisk until smooth and creamy. Combine. Gently fold the whipped cream mixture into the fruit bowl and mix until all the fruits are evenly coated. Chill and serve. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes before serving. Garnish with cherries or extra almonds if desired. Enjoy. Serve cold as a refreshing dessert or festive treat. Pro tips: you can swap fruits based on season. Mango, kiwi, or strawberries also taste amazing. For a lighter version, reduce the condensed milk and add a little honey instead. Best served fresh, but it can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 1 day.